If you're using an Apple iPhone, by default, your smartphone comes with Apple's keyboard. But you may want to use Google Keyboard on your iPhone. If you do, you can easily set it up. In this video, we'll show you how to use Google Keyboard on your Apple iPhone. For this, first, what you need to do is open the App Store. When you open the App Store, you'll see a search option. Click there, and search for Google Keyboard or Gboard. When you search for Google Keyboard or Gboard, you'll see an option called Gboard. Click on it. When you click on that, you'll see the application here. You need to download it. I've already downloaded this app. After downloading it, click on Open. When you do that, you'll reach a page like this. But after downloading, you can't use Google Keyboard on your phone right away. To make it work, you need to change a few settings. After opening the app, click on Get Started. Sometimes you'll reach a page like this, or if you're using it for the first time, you'll see a similar page. Click on Get Started here, and when you do, you'll reach the settings page. Here, you'll see the Keyboards option. Click on Keyboards. Sometimes the Gboard option will be turned off. You need to enable it if you're using it for the first time. After enabling Gboard, you'll see the Allow Full Access option below. Turn that on. After that, you'll see the Allow option. Click Allow. Once you click on that, everything is set. Now, if you open any app and bring up the keyboard, you'll see Google Keyboard there too. If you don't see it, you'll notice a globe-like button. Long press on it, and at the bottom, you'll see Gboard. Tap on Gboard. After that, you can use Google Keyboard. So, this way, you can easily use Google Keyboard on your Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.